He wants to keep reminding you of the trauma you've been through. And when are you going to decide that you don't want to smell like that furnace anymore? When are you going to make a decision that you don't want to wear that scars anymore? Just to give you a short story of my life, I've not always been successful, especially not in business. I've went through sequestration. I know how to lose everything. I know how to start over. I know how no financial institution will put in the effort to help and support you to get back on your feet, that you actually need to turn back to your parents and people close to you that can actually help and support you. And I had to come to the decision that I don't want my parents to support us anymore. I wanted to get back on my feet. I don't want to be stuck in that victim mentality.